So I think the FAIR principles are all about efficiency and also about making other people's lives easy. We can already do the research we want to do with the data that is out there. But the FAIR principles, they aim to make both data reuse and also making your data available for others easier. The idea is that instead of spending a lot of time collecting data, getting access to it, and harmonizing it with other data or with my data, that machines can do the hard work for me and then I can focus on my own research. In fact, there are studies that show that researchers spend 80% of the time on getting access, collecting, and harmonizing data. And the FAIR principles want to decrease that amount of time from 80 to almost 0 if possible. That will be the dream world. A message that I would like to share to the world about the FAIR principles. I would say that the main focus is on awareness. If people are aware of the benefits of the FAIR principles, they will also advocate for the adoption of the principles. And I think slowly people will perceive how they impact other fields, right? For example, if you had more FAIR rare disease data, we would also foster the research on rare diseases itself.